shading between 2 and 3 p.m. every, all until about, looks like April or March. And it's going to be shaded by this object right here. Okay? But you're causing shade, folks. Casting shade. There you go. All right. Kind of see? All right, so that's a good, that would be good. But you're going to get, this is an obstruction. Do you see it there? Well, you just take a picture of that. And then you go to the next one. All right?
So,
are you ready for yours?
You were saying something about the magnetic, like when they said it was set to 14 degrees,
Yeah.
something like that. That was, you talking about this, right? Or no?
14 degrees. This is to the south.
I thought the compass had to face to the north or something. One of those has to go to the north, and the other thing has to go to the south.
That's right, the south. This is the pattern from the south, because the south is this in this direction here.
Oh.
Oh, so we're doing the south.
Yeah, so you're doing south. So the south is in this direction. The sun is going to rise and set over there. All right, and so you're going to take a picture of this, but you have to.
I feel like San Jose is like that way, and going to San Francisco is that way, so that must be west.
So there are a lot of underground cables underneath here, which just have the magnetic field, which is impacting. But you're going to end up being here.
Yeah.
To the south.